Hello, thanks for watching. In this video, I'll explain two important parts of the Arizona government, the initiative and the referendum. These let regular people, like you and me, have a direct say in what laws get made or changed in our state. Arizona's Constitution gives us these powers to help make sure the government listens to the people. So let's just talk about what it is. So initiative is when people write a new law or want to change the state's constitution and then collect signatures to put it out on the ballot so voters can decide. The referendum is when voters get to approve or reject a law that the state government has already passed. So basically, with the initiative, people start with the process. With the referendum, people respond to something that the government has already done. So how does all of this work? For initiative, someone writes the law they want to pass. Then the collective of thousands of signatures from registered voters is if they get enough signatures, the idea goes on the ballot and everyone votes on it during the election. To change a regular law, they need signatures from 10% of the voters from the last governor's election. To change the Constitution, they need 15% for the referendum. It starts after the Arizona's legislature passed a law. If someone does not like that law, they can collect signatures to try to stop it. If they get enough signatures within 90 days, the law is paused and the voters decide whether to keep it or get rid of it. The number of signatures needed is 5% of the voters from the last governor's race. So how are they similar and how are they different? Both initiative and referendums let people vote on laws, but they work differently. Initiatives are used to create new laws and change the Constitution. Referendums are used to approve or stop laws the government already passed. So the big difference is who starts it. Initiatives come with the people. That's from the people. The referendums are to respond to something the government has already done. So the pros and the cons. They're good and bad to both sides. The initiatives are great because they let people have a voice. If lawmakers aren't doing something, citizens should and can take action. But written laws isn't easy. But writing them isn't easy. Some initiatives may be confusing or have mistakes. Referendums are helpful because they let people block the bad laws. But it can be hard to get all the signatures in just 90 days. And it takes a lot of money and a lot of time to do so. So why does all of this matter? Arizona's Constitution gives us the right to use initiatives and referendums. This is called direct democracy, which means people can vote directly on the laws, not just through elected leaders. So this helps keep the government honest and give people power. It's a big part of what makes Arizona's democracy so strong. So to wrap all of this initiative and referendum work is just initiatives and referendums are very powerful tools to let voters take part in making or changing laws in Arizona. They help make the government works for the people. They make sure it works for the people. So, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand how direct democracy works in our state of Arizona.